Shipments of COVID vaccines are on their way here to the bi-state. This comes as millions of Missourians can register for the shot. But there are new concerns of distributions. This morning we have team coverage on the vaccine. Our Ryan Dean is standing by as St. Louis County officials give us a new warning about line jumpers. But first, let's begin with Savannah Louie in St. Charles County, where they are set to open up its first massive vaccine distribution site today. Good morning, Savannah.
Hey, Rennie, good morning to you. Family Arena is the first mass distribution site in St. Charles for the vaccine. But if we look at other areas that have opened up similar sites across the country and even in our area, we can certainly expect a large amount of people to be out here today eager to get these shots. Now, today's distribution is only for people in Phase 1A. So this is healthcare and long-term care facility workers. Shots will be administered today and Wednesday by appointment only. You must pre-register online. The St. Charles County Department of Public Health is notifying people who are eligible. Now, all of this comes as St. Charles County has received more doses of that vaccine than other counties and municipalities in our area, with an initial batch of 400 doses and a second shipment of 2,000 delivered last week. Confirmed coronavirus cases in St. Charles are just a fraction of what we saw back here in November and December. And over the last 2 weeks, there have been just 2 COVID-related deaths. This is down 88% from the previous 2 weeks. So why Family Arena? Well, if you're familiar with the place, you know that it can hold a large amount of people who can wait for their shots while still practicing that safe social distancing. Reporting live from St. Charles, Savannah Louie, 5 on your side.
Savannah, thank you. Our team coverage continues now with a troubling trend in St. Louis County. People trying to jump the line to get a vaccine.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, the county admits it's been a slow rollout, but says the process could take longer if it keeps seeing line jumpers. The county saying it's not a huge problem, but it has seen people trying to register when they don't qualify. County Executive Sam Page says there's been folks falsely claiming to be healthcare workers. It's even seen high school students lying about their identity, trying to get the shot. The big concern is line jumpers can take a shot away from someone who does qualify, like Gary Zingring. Mercy sent us this video of Zingring getting the vaccine yesterday. You can see just how much it means to him. He was very emotional.
Such a relief, and I can't tell you how happy I am. Actually, right now I want to do a happy dance.
The county says if it does catch someone being dishonest when registering, they'll make that person reapply.
Meanwhile, in Illinois, cars lined up at the Monroe County Fairgrounds as people waited to get their vaccines. Most of the state is still in the first phase of vaccine distribution, which includes medical and longer-term care workers and their residents. But Monroe County has moved on to the next tier, offering shots to people 85 years of age and up, regardless of if they are a resident. Monroe County health officials say they can deliver about 3,000 doses in a 14-hour day. 5 on your side has put together a vaccine team to give you the most up-to-date information on how you can get your COVID vaccine. You can find out if your county is taking registrations right now and how you could sign up by texting the word vaccine to 314-444-5125. Now that is a text-only line. We also have that information scrolling at the bottom of the screen right now.
Let's get you caught up now with the 3 things you need to know about the coronavirus. And we start with this. New confirmed cases are on the steady decline in both Missouri and Illinois. Good news, Missouri's positivity rate is at the lowest it's been since October 29th. In Illinois, 7-day positivity rate is also dropping. It is at the lowest point since October 25th, sitting at 6.1%. Researchers at WashU found a rapid blood test may be able to identify which COVID patients are at high risk for severe symptoms. They found levels of mitochondrial DNA, that's a type of a DNA molecule that's inside the energy factories of the cells, were actually much higher in those who were eventually admitted to the ICU or even died. Experts say more research is needed. And a new study shows people who recover from the virus could have long-lasting immunity. The report shows bits of the virus actually stay in the body after the initial immune system response. These seem to induce production of B cells. Those are the cells that churn out more antibodies.